Now, the GC Foster College of Physical Education and Sport in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, is using play and sport as psychosocial support for children from schools across southern and western Jamaica whose lives were impacted one way or another by the passage of Hurricane Melissa recently. Denise Walters tells us more.
Lecturer at the GC Foster College, Jason Henry, explains the college's Play for Recovery initiative.
Well, as you know, our country, especially on the western side, got a bad hit, really bad hit from the Hurricane Melissa to be precise. So, while everybody is preparing and helping out adults recover from their personal losses, properties and home, we are catering for the little ones that are also maybe traumatized by adding play, which is a very important part of their development.
But what does the play day include?
These are some minor games that we have. We create some bowling alleys, we do some hopping, some bunny hops, some stuff that kids normally like to do. We're trying to take what they like on the tablet and bring it out practical so they can enjoy. So after the first session, we're going to move on to a little bit of tennis. Let they feel like they can play a abnormal sport, if you want to use that word.
So far, one school with 18 students were hosted, but it will be an ongoing initiative.
This is Mandeville Primary for the start. We're going to do some more. I think we have some more schools from in the Mandeville area that want to join, and we'll reach out to them. But for now, we haven't fully confirmed, so we don't want to call any name. But definitely, this is going to be an ongoing program just to make sure the kids are taken care of.
The Mandeville Primary School welcomes the support.
Some students are facing stress, so the playing activities help their cognitive development as well. So they can learn better in the classroom through play. It's a very good program. The students came out today, enjoy themselves in the different activities here.
I feel happy that I get the experiment, the chance to come out here and have fun. I enjoyed the dancing the most.
And while the school wasn't badly damaged, efforts are being made to help families affected who are in need.
Our school has what is called Pizza Day, put on by the Guidance Counseling Department, and all the proceeds from that initiative to sell pizza will go towards the students who were affected by Hurricane Melissa.
I want to, and I'm going to donate to them as soon as possible, some clothes and food. Because some people, they just need help, and everybody needs help someday. And the Hurricane Melissa was a really bad hurricane, and I just want to make everybody's lives happy again.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.